Hi guys, I just wanted to discuss with you about one of the good books that you can refer for software project management, or basically when you are a new project manager, what are the things you should do and how you should do, what are the minimum things you should do, and the processes related to the project management. Those things you can learn from this particular book. So the question I'm going to answer it here is, what is a good book for new software project manager or a project manager? So this book I am going to discuss is basically Project Management for Absolute Beginner's Guide by Gregory M. Orine. Gregory holds a double bachelor's degree in marketing and in computer science from Anderson College, Indiana, US. He also has a master's degree in computer science and he has 23 years of experience as business technology and IT project manager. He is also a certified PMP and is recognized for advocating his servant leadership principles, which goes good with Scrum. Overcoming both technical and political hurdles, so he has established a long track record for successfully delivered projects that meet objectives and stakeholder expectations. So that is our author and his background. So what this book helps to achieve, why we should buy this book. The project professionals who are starting and who are new and their first few projects they are going to deliver, uh, if they don't want to go for a project management training and they want to stick to the work and they want to learn it with the work itself, then this is the book, this is the guidebook they should have in handy and they should check it out. It's a fourth edition of the current book which is going on, and the content of this particular book, which has divided into 5 parts. Basically, one is project management jumpstart, project planning, project control, project execution, and accelerating the curves, learning curves even more. The some of the parts where uh, uh, project planning also can be done by using MS Project, uh, and how to deal with that, those things also uh, defined. The comprehensive coverage uh, is comforting and it's good value per money. This particular book, the approach style is also really good. Uh, Please subscribe me and like the video if you will, if find interesting. And I'm going to put the link for this particular book so that if you want to uh, uh, purchase the book, you can go ahead and buy it from Amazon. So the most biggest takeaways will be mastering the skills, leading through, avoiding common mistakes, building a usable project plan. With that, what I can say is you won't find uh, the samples and templates of the document which are required for a project are explained in this particular book. It is very easy to read and one can enjoy the book along with learning. So uh, please subscribe my channel and I will give you more information on different books further onwards on project management and Scrum Master. Thank you.